So how do you mark and delete contacts on your Android? Let me talk about it. And if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So it kind of depends on which specific contacts app you are using for this. So we have the Samsung ones. We also have the Google contacts, right? So these are the most common options, but they all kind of work the same way, really. So if I open up these Samsung contacts, for example, right, let me just come back to the main section. You can see all of the people listed in here, and if I want to mark and delete some of them, what I can do is to hold it down on, for example, on the Alex in here, right, or choose an example like this, and it gets selected. So you kind of have to hold it down on it until you get the check mark next to it, and then you just keep on selecting more, right? So you can keep on adding stuff to the selection, right, whatever. Just choose whatever you need and then click on a delete, and you can move 3 or more, or whichever many you select, contacts to the trash like so, and that's how you delete them. And the same thing goes for the Google contacts, where the similar principle applies, where you can as well just select people from the list and also click on a trash to delete them. So it's pretty simple. Outside of that, there isn't really much else to go through. Most likely you have one of these two contacts apps. So let me know if it worked for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.